Welcome to another episode on Lilian's Couch. I know I'm not my bubbly self today, and it's just because this topic is really dear to my heart. I got talking with some lady last week, and I asked her, by the way, if I could share it on my vlog, and she said yes, because I wasn't sure what to tell her. She's been married for 5 years, and she has 3 kids. She just found out her husband is gay. Long story short, she found out and he just left. They didn't have a conversation about it. She confronted him and he left. My question is, why marry into a lie? Why make someone marry into a lie? I always say this, marriage is a commitment. I'm not a judgmental person because I feel like everyone is entitled to however they want to live their life. You know, I try not to involve myself in how people choose to live their lives. But I am totally not okay with you making someone live your life. Literally imposing your lie on someone, in the sense that she married you not knowing that you're gay. She has 3 kids, and she says they have sex when, you know, they have to. So it's not like they have regular sex because he's always traveling. So she just had the mindset that, okay, since he's always traveling, guys, if you were in her shoes, what would you do? If you found out someone you've been married to for 5 years and has kids is gay, I don't have a problem with however you want to live your life. I keep saying that. I am not God. I don't know. We just, all of us, we're just saying, this is wrong, this is bad. We don't know. We don't know. We're not Jesus. On the last day, it will be like film, because all of us will be like, Some people you even see in heaven self. You did here. So the truth is, I don't want to judge anyone. I don't want to come and say, don't do this, don't do that. No. I read my Bible, I have my own beliefs, and I stick by it. Right? But I will not impose my belief on you. Because at the end of the day, I don't even know if my belief is wrong. If what I believe in is wrong, I do not know. I read my Bible, I'm trying to go by it, but then again, do you understand what I'm saying? So, guys, this is really important. I really want to know your thoughts on this. Please drop your comments. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. I love you all.